They'll start with 100 acres and then we'll do much more.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
अक्षय जी एक बात करनी है इसमें.
हाँ जी.
दीपेश ठाकुर फ्रॉम पालघर. सर ये नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज के लिए फार्मर्स को हम फ्रूट्स प्लांटेशन के लिए इंश्योरेंस साथ में देना चाहिए रोटरी की तरफ से. सो कोई अगर नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज आता है तो ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Excellent idea.
Let us explore it. आप तो वहीं पे हैं, हम लोग बात करते हैं. आप भगवान जी से
we'll give a thought. Dipesh will give a thought.
Yes sir.
Last question, Anup Gupta. Anup, are you there? Akshay, if you have nothing more to add, can we move on to the next speaker?
My last message, presidents, is please make this note. Installation पे आपको announce करना है. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Akshay.
Great, Akshay. Nice to see you so enthusiastically involved in the project. God bless you.
He is anyway always like that.
Friends, we have with us now Ashok Devaraji, who is the Avenue Chair for Cochlear Implant.
Rajan, we got Rashri ji putting up a hand, please.
Achha, sorry. Deepak, please unmute her.
Yeah. Yes. Please go ahead.
She has to unmute herself.
Yourself. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Yeah, good to go.
Deepak, we can't unmute?
No, she has to accept. We are giving her that.
Achha.
Which is.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah.
Don't touch the screen now. Yeah.
Yes, so just a last comment, which probably can inspire people to help in your tree plantation is because of this pandemic, which we have seen, the coronavirus, which is going on, and we know how much of oxygen we have sort of used up. So there's acquaintance of mine who used to write in his prescription to all the patients who had gone after corona, properly treated, all the medications, whatever, and the last medication was go home and plant a tree. So you finish your obligation for whatever you have taken from nature. And this project probably is one of the best projects which we can do to help us in future. Besides that, we get another advantage is that we get a fruit tree who's giving us back oxygen. Thank you. Thank you, wonderful presentation.
Well said, ma'am. Well said. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Rajan, I'll just share one photograph for a minute, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You are the governor. I can't stop you. I can stop anyone else.
Yes. So, Rajan, can you see the photograph?
Yeah, we all
Yes.
can.
So, this was on a visit to Purli 4 months back. So, this is the farmer who started earning lakhs of rupees per acre from a meager income of 30,000-40,000 rupees. So, this is a reality I've seen with my own eyes. And when these fruit trees grow, the farmer's life changes, the full family life changes. They are not under debt, they are not committing suicide. And in reality, the fruit tree is going to give better oxygen, is going to give more water collection, is going to make the fruits cheaper, and even the villagers will get to eat fruits and be more healthy. That's all from me.
Thank you, sir. जब भी आप next time जाओगे for this project, please inform us. I'm sure now many of us would like to join you.
Rajan, one more hand is up, please.
Deepak, please unmute him.
जी, accept कीजिए. Okay, you're good to go.
हाँ, I'm उत्तम पाटिल from RC वाड़ा. Basically, अभी जो सर ने प्रोजेक्ट बताया, हेलो.
Go ahead. We can hear you.
उसमें बताया गया था कि हम जो ट्रीज है वो हम जो फार्मर से उनको फ्री में देने वाले हैं क्या, क्योंकि जो वाड़ा क्लब है उसी एरिया का उसमें नाम बताया गया था, उसके बारे में जानना चाहता था.
So trees का नॉमिनल कुछ कॉस्ट है, सैपलिंग का अलग से. आप मेरा कांटेक्ट है उसमें, आप मेरे से बात कीजिए. I will give you the details one-on-one.
Last question, Daksha wants to speak something.
Daksha has put her hands up.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question is that since this tree plantation is going to be held in Vikramgarh, Wada and Palghar, so I would like to understand that if I want to opt for Vikramgarh, what is the area? Like you have to, how are you going to specify कि ये हमें पसंद है, हमें यहाँ करना है? Are there places designated of our choice?
So let me explain. The process is that we first identify small to marginal farmers who have a reasonably smaller holding so that we can actually genuinely benefit their income levels. So firstly, you have to have the farmer there. Number two, we want to make sure that the farmer has water connections available. Number three, we will ensure that his drip irrigation is available because all these trees will need drip irrigation. Once these things are clear, and a little bit of financial involvement is necessary and required. So we want to make sure that all these things are compliant and the farmer is keen to do this fruit tree plantation. Once he is clear that he wants to get into it, then we will do an analysis of the soil, the topography, the climatic condition, and the water availability there, and decide which is the best fruit tree that will match his soil, his conditions there. And then we will give him the whole economic model. So there is Mayank Gandhi's entire team. They have a team of 15 people who set up a permanent office right now in Palghar, and they are there to help all of them. So if you have some farmers in mind, I would recommend you can be in touch with me and I will direct them to this office in Palghar where they can go and get all the particulars of how this project can benefit them.
Okay, thank you. Because I would be interested in Vikramgarh area.
Sure, sure. So if you have farmers, etc., we can work together. Perfectly fine.
Okay, thanks. Yeah.
Thanks, Lakshmi. Thanks very, very much, Akshay. It's a very, very promising project. Devraji, if you are ready, yeah, please.
Yes, sir. We're all set. Ashok ji.
Devraji, I think you're on mute. Please unmute yourself.
एक मिनट.
Deepak Oshad is saying नहीं हो रहा है.
He should accept it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
I wanted you to show the film.
Okay. Is this at the end of the presentation?
Deepak, it is in the end of the presentation. Go few sides.
Okay.
Keep on clicking right. Yeah, there.
Yeah. Okay.
Please make it full screen.
Yeah. Okay.
Deepak, do you want me to load?
It's coming up. I'm just double checking.
If you want me to load, I can load. Give me the share screen, right?
आपको है you?
Okay. Full screen कर ले.
Yeah. वैसे you are co-host Arun.
Yeah. But you have to stop your. Okay. Full screen करो. And click on the wheel. Right. हाँ बस.
उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. मुझे पता है मैं उसकी माँ हूँ. देखिए, मैं समझ सकती हूँ.
Please start from the beginning.
आपको बड़े डॉक्टर से मिलना होगा. ऑपरेशन के बाद.
Yes.
कोई भी माँ अपने बच्चे के बारे में ऐसी खबर सुनकर हैरान हो जाती. जब निशांत, मैंने ही नाम चुना था. जब निशांत पैदा हुआ तो घर आने से पहले ही अस्पताल के डॉक्टर ने हमें बताया कि उसे सुनने में तकलीफ हो रही है. मुझे यकीन था कि उन्हें कुछ गलतफहमी हुई है. हमने तो कुछ और ही सपने देखे थे. हमने मतलब मैं सुनीता और मेरे पति विकास, वो टैक्सी चलाते हैं. तो बड़े बड़े सपने देखे थे कि निशांत बड़ा होकर डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बनेगा। बहुत कुछ करना था हमें निशांत के लिए। उसे एक अच्छे स्कूल में भर्ती कराना था, लेकिन डॉक्टर का चेहरा देखकर ऐसा लगा जैसे हमारे सपने कभी सच नहीं होंगे।
कुछ तो सुनाई देता होगा उसे।
देखिए, मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि ये सुनना आपके लिए बहुत कठिन होगा, लेकिन ये कुछ भी नहीं सुन सकता। आई एम सॉरी।
ये नहीं हो सकता। उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ है, मुझे पता है, मैं उसकी माँ हूँ।
देखिए, मैं समझ सकती हूँ। आपको बड़े डॉक्टर से मिलना होगा। ऑपरेशन के बाद शायद वो।
क्यों? हम क्यों जाएं? उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ है। मैं उसे रोज पुकारती हूँ, निशांत। बस उसकी हरकत से मुझे पता चल जाता है कि वो मुझे सुन सकता है। वो मुझे देखता भी है, वो मुझे पहचानता है।
खामोशी की दुनिया में रहते हैं हम, सजा तन्हाई की रोज सहते हैं हम। माँ की लोरी हमें ना सुलाए कभी, उसकी आवाज हमें ना बुलाए कभी। सबके बीच में अकेले हुआ करते हैं हम, खामोशी की दुनिया में रहते हैं हम। गर आवाज हम तक ना पहुँचे कभी, जुबां कह ना पाए जो हम सोचे कभी। सब कुछ होते हुए भी टूट जाएंगे हम, दौड़ लगाने के पहले ही हार जाएंगे हम। खामोशी की दुनिया में रहते हैं हम।
साहस करके हम बड़े डॉक्टर से मिलने गए। बड़ा डॉक्टर, उसका मतलब बड़ा ऑपरेशन, जिसके लिए हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे और जिसकी कामयाबी की गारंटी भी नहीं। फिर भी मुझे खुशी है कि हम उनसे मिलने गए, क्योंकि मुझे एक नई उम्मीद मिली। डॉक्टर ने हमें कहा कि इस ऑपरेशन को कोक्लियर इम्प्लांट कहते हैं। निशांत के सर के अंदर एक मशीन बिठाएंगे जिसके जरिए वो सुन पाएगा, लेकिन इस ऑपरेशन के पहले और बाद में कई दिनों के लिए निशांत पर इलाज करना होगा। ये ऑपरेशन करना बहुत ही जरूरी है।
देखिए, बहरा होने की वजह से निशांत बोल नहीं पाएगा। ऐसी हालत में वो पढ़ेगा कैसे? और पढ़ेगा नहीं तो सीखेगा कैसे? वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ा नहीं रह पाएगा और बुढ़ापे में वो आपका नहीं, आपको उसका सहारा बनना पड़ेगा।
ये सब तो सच था, लेकिन इसके लिए हम पैसे कहाँ से लाते? इनकी टैक्सी बेचकर भी कितने पैसे हाथ आते? शायद डॉक्टर हमारे विचार तुरंत ही समझ गए थे। उन्होंने हमें बताया कि पैसों के सिलसिले में वो हमारी मदद करेंगे। किसी परोपकारी संस्था से बात करके हमारे लिए पैसों का बंदोबस्त करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हाँ, भगवान सुनता है, देखता है और हमारी रक्षा भी करता है।
Like little Nishant, there are more than 20,000 children born in India every year with severe hearing loss. They cannot be helped even with the most powerful hearing aids. Their hearing loss is due to problems with the nerve endings in the inner ear or the cochlea. This puts them under severe risk of lifelong disability of speech and learning if this problem is not corrected before they reach an age of 18 to 36 months. Fortunately, modern technology and advanced surgical techniques have created wonderful hope for these children in the form of a cochlear implant.
Hello, I am Purvi Parekh, mother of Jessica Parekh. My daughter Jessica was born with profound hearing impairment. She was detected with this loss at the age of 13 months. Early detection and thereafter early implantation plays a very crucial role in the development of language and speech in children.
Hello, my name is Jessica Parekh. I was born with profound hearing impairment. My hearing loss was detected at the age of 11 months and I received a cochlear implant at the age of 18 months.
Here is an example of a young girl called Sheetal Soni. She was born profoundly hearing impaired. But right now, she, after the implant and a vigorous therapy, goes to a normal school and is studying in grade 4.
3 साल पहले मेरा कॉकलियर इम्प्लांट का ऑपरेशन हुआ और सब आवाजों की सुनाई देता है अब भी.
Even though cochlear implant is a wonderful device which ensures bright future for thousands of children with profound hearing loss, it can cost anywhere between 6 to 10 lakhs of rupees, including the hospitalization, given the sophisticated nature of technology and the delicate surgery involved. This puts the cochlear implant solution beyond the reach of parents like Vikas and Sunita, who are caught in an agonizing dilemma. It is precisely for the parents like Vikas and Sunita that Rotary Club of Bombay West has launched a project called Mukam Karoti Vachalam. But beyond excellent infrastructure and cutting-edge technology, we believe that Mukam Karoti Vachalam is about human dreams. And we want more dreamers to join us so that together we can help hundreds of young Nishants to walk into the world of sound, discover their identity, and fulfill their destiny.
Nishant! आवाज की दुनिया में आए हैं हम, पहचान अपनी भी ढूंढ लाए हैं हम. अब आगे उम्मीद लेके जाएंगे हम, तकदीर खुद ही अपनी अब बनाएंगे हम.
Excellent, Ashok ji. Ashok Devra is going to be the avenue chair for the cochlear implant avenue, a new avenue, first time ever which has been done. So Ashok ji, please share what you would like to do.
Sure. See, basically the problem of profound hearing, it has been found that it is mostly in the 90%, you can say, in the poor people. And because of that, the treatment is not done. Somewhere it is because of unawareness, and somewhere it is because of the heavy cost of implant. The implants we have discussed, and we are getting it done at SRCC, at Nanavati, and Cooper Hospital. Approximate cost is coming at around 7 lakhs of rupees. Now, in short, this year, this avenue has been separated by Rajendra ji, and he has been kind enough to use his resources. So a lot of NGOs and donations and CSR funds have started showing interest, and some tie-up has been made. Because of that, we have announced that we will go up to 200 implants. So friends, we have worked out a scheme where if your club is donating by collecting 2 lakhs of rupees, the balance 5 lakhs of rupees would be organized by the district from the resources which we have created. So my request to you is, in case you are interested, and you must be interested, to save a family. If you save a family, you save a lot of things. Please come forward, register your name, so that in the beginning itself, we can start with this cochlear implant. So I'm open for any question, friends.
Thank you, Ashok ji. Let me share. Like you have seen, जब बच्चा बचपन से सुनता नहीं है तो वो बोलता भी नहीं है, और ऐसा बच्चा जो बोल नहीं पाता है, घर में सुन नहीं पाता है, बच्ची की क्या हालत होगी, वो फैमिली की क्या हालत होगी, आपने देखा है इसमें। तो आज हमने बाकी काफी फंडिंग अरेंज कर दी अलग अलग सोर्सेज से, तो जस्ट सपोर्ट विद 2 lakhs out of 7 lakhs and you will change a life of a child permanently. आपको कभी अगर ये फिल्म आपके कोई डोनर को दिखानी हो, क्लब में दिखानी हो, प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट एवेन्यू चेयर अशोक देवरा. Don't miss such an opportunity to change a life. And our theme this year is serving to change lives. So please use this opportunity. Each and every project is going to change the life of people. Every project which we are sharing today is going to make a difference on your club members. It will give you club retention, it will give you money, it will give you emotion. So every project is a doable project which makes a difference. So please come forward and meet our target of 200 cochlear surgeries. 50,000 children are born who cannot hear every year. We are taking a very small target, only 200. Only 200, please. Thank you. Question answers, one or two, Rajan?
Yes.
Friends, the floor is open if anybody has a question.
Go ahead. If there's no question, please, Rajan, go ahead.
Devra ji, आप अपना number डाल दीजिए please chat में. If anybody would like to, then they will get in touch with you directly. Friends, I know it is our lunch time, लेकिन every project that we are talking about is so heart touching and so purposeful. We have 2 more such projects. I request you to bear with us. Next, we will invite Yogesh Parekh ji to come. Deepak, please unmute him.
Yeah.
He is going to speak on his project Annapurna.
Rajan, we are giving the presidents beautiful projects which they can do besides the regular projects of the club.
Yes, yes.
Yogesh ji, where are you? Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm putting the slide now.
Yogesh ji, please unmute yourself.
It's a very big dream which we all will fulfill together.
Yogesh ji, 1 minute, okay.
योगेश भाई अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को.
He's a co-host, but can you please raise
Yeah,
it?
okay. Yeah. Now, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, first I will say something. Can you just hold on the presentation for a while?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon. Like Rajan just said, we are very close to lunch, and we are all very hungry maybe, and of course soon we will be all getting a lovely lunch, and we love food. Okay, so we are lucky and privileged friends, but do you know, so many around us, as many as about 20 lakhs people in Mumbai go to sleep without food. So this is all about Annapurna, is feeding the people. Now we can have a presentation. Hello.
Hear the music.
Click.
Are moving. It should move. I think it is the wrong one.
1 minute. You can see the video you are referring to.
The one I sent you yesterday.
One.
Yeah, this is the one. I know that that's not the one. I think.
This one.
Yeah, I cannot get the full screen on my.
Okay.
No, this is say sea face. I think I have the one district one.
Because this is what.
No, this is not the one.
Oh, Arun, can you help us, please?
If you cannot get that one, then let's do with this video.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello everyone. My mission as the president of the Dream Year is to feed the poorest of the poor, regardless of race and religion. Rotary Club of Bombay Seaface is honored and proud to be the lead club of prestigious Million Meals project. Let the faith inspire us to be an organization built on compassion, motivated by love, and spearheaded to the goal of feed the needy. We can only accomplish this mammoth task by identifying the need, collecting funds, feeding needy people, and thereby serving mankind. Let's conclude with Ubuntu. I am because you are. I am because you are. Thank you.
Hi, greetings from Yogesh Parikh, your chairperson for Project Annapurna. Feeding the underprivileged has been an ongoing effort at Rotary Club of Bombay Seaface, and of course, this has been one of the most important district projects named Annapurna. Friends, estimates say that over 20 lakh kids and adults go hungry every day in Mumbai. So we have designed a process and plans to feed million people in this Rotary year 2021-22. We need your help. We need your members' help. We need your club's help and even help from your friends, relatives and corporates. 16 rupees donation gives adequate meal, which includes khichdi. And rupees 35 donation will give a complete meal that includes roti, shak, bhat and dal. These meals will be provided by Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, Roti Bank, ISKCON and other such NGOs. We have a simple and transparent computerized system to assure you that your donation brings smiles to those million hungry. So let me briefly explain the process. First, as soon as you donate, ATG receipt will be generated and sent to you. Further, you will have a choice to select a date like birthday, anniversary, or any special day to distribute these meals. Also, you will receive a text message with a date, time, and location stating when and where the meals you donated would be served. So you can witness that your money donated brings many smiles. Later, we will send you the photographs and certificate of appreciation. Friends, let me emphasize, there is no ambiguity on how your donation is spent. And let me assure you that there will be million smiles by 30th June 2022.
Oh, okay. Dear Rajendra ji, I am very sorry. The updated video with all the district logo and everything, I think we could not run it. This was our club video, which we have run it. Anyhow, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, let's get to the presidents. All the president will agree with me that we have to do a lot to reach out to these unprivileged people and give them a decent meal. See, there are many other ways. I know this is one of the methods that I described, but there are many other ways that we can also give the food. There is a project called Inspire, started by Rotarian Shanta Velaru, to provide ration to those affected by pandemics, tribals, and poor. The ration will be provided for 3 months, and our objective is to cover 100 families around the year. We can also, all the clubs can distribute fruits around the year, can give vada pav at the Diwali time, and snacks to municipal school. Once again, now most important request to all the dear dream presidents, please encourage your member and also their friends and their corporate connections to give generously. I expect rupees 5,000 from all these members, club members, who can give this donation either on their birthdays or anniversary or any event. Also, my one more request that each club should support this campaign by donating rupees 1 lakh so that we can reach out to million hungry stomachs and be blessed. And let us see lots of smiles on those faces. Thank you. I'm open to questions.
I think सब अपने अन्नपूर्णा के चक्कर में लग गए हैं, sir.
Rajan, I'll
You
just
are
share.
right. You are right.
You made such a nice presentation straight from.
Anup wants to share something. Anup.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, Anup.
Yeah, unmuted. Wait a minute.
Okay, friends, I just wanted to share something. Not this is not a question. Very recently, our club, that is Rotary Club of Bombay Town, with the help of District 3141, made an association with Swiggy for 2 lakh meals.
Okay.
So basically, 1 lakh meals will be contributed by Pan Mumbai Car through the Swiggy website. They will be contributing 20 rupees for each meals, and Swiggy is going to match that by providing 1 lakh meals from their side. That is in terms of amount only, not in physical. मतलब पैकेट वगैरह नहीं भेजेंगे, वो लोग पैसा देंगे. So this association, if everything goes well, it will be continue next year also, and for almost for like every 2 months, it is going to be 2 lakh meals, something like that.
They are going to do in 21-22.
Yeah, no, it's already started, and we are trying to continue even in 21-22 also.
21-22 वो तैयार हो तो बता देना, फिर उसको plan करें.
Yes, yes, please, please.
I'm just sharing it with you. This is going to be a continued process.
So, Anup, I will get in
input.
touch with you.
Sure.
For this project.
Sure.
I'll just share one photograph, please.
Yeah, please.
This is a photo where we have started distributing foods to the old age homes and the needy. In the last 2 months, we have distributed papayas, apples, and recently mangoes. You can see on your birthdays and anniversaries of your members, donate 5,000 rupees, and in that 5,000 rupees, we will get these fruits from the farmers. So 2 to 3 times the value of fruits will be sent on behalf of your member to such people. So take this benefit. Around the year, this project will go on, and we'll keep distributing fruits and make such people also a chance to eat the food and be healthy.
Therefore, I request each and every president that they should generously donate for this project.
Thank you, Yogesh bhai.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure they will. Yogesh ji, if you are done, can I ask Leena to come for the last?
Yeah,
question?
yeah, please, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Leena, if you are ready, Deepak.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
My PPT.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, friends. I know that you all are hungry. You want to go early, but just listen to me for 10 minutes.
We will. Can I say something, Leena? You're looking absolutely ravishing today. God bless you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
क्या हो रहा है? Correct? Wherever, why am I finding this? Leena ji.
हाँ जी.
This is correct one?
I have sent you before.
Yeah. Is that it?
No, it's not yet started.
Okay.
The first slide. Go to the first slide.
Leena, 68 slides हैं?
नहीं, सिर्फ 6 slides है. Okay, let me go to first. The first slide is.
Yes.
I'm just talking on the pediatric surgeries for the international children. It is a dream project of the Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta and our DGN Rajendra ji. Go for the next slide. The question arises, why international children's? In countries like the Nigeria and many other underdeveloped countries, the healthcare system faces notable challenges like the poor infrastructure, inadequate funding, poor policies, policy making, and implementations. And because of these challenges, the children from such countries are dying without medical treatment. Congenital heart disease is an enormous problem in the low middle income countries and particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. There is an estimated 5 lakh children born in Africa with the heart disease each year, with a major proportion in the sub-Saharan Africa, The vast majority of these children receives a suboptimal or no care at all. In East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda have all attempted to create the congenital heart disease service for the last 20 years within the minimal success due to the various factors. The incidence of the congenital heart disease ranges from 19 to 75 per 1,000 live births, and it is also leading the cause of birth defects and the second leading cause of the death in the first year of the life after the infectious disease. Now the second is the healthcare consideration. Any established healthcare system goes beyond the hospitals, doctors, and the nurses and allied healthcare providers. A successful healthcare system requires a robust of the infrastructure, which includes the government support, good relations with the business and industries and the university programs. And importantly, it should include the continuity of the education program and the good governance factor that impact the healthcare advisory, including the affordability, access, and awareness. All these three factors, element must exist for the successful healthcare delivery. In cardiac heart disease, in underdeveloped countries like Africa, these three factor contributions, the numerous children being unable to get the appropriate care, and all these factors are lacking. We'll come to the now high surgery cost. The cost of the surgeries without the governmental or the humanitarian support, the treatment of this heart surgery is unaffordable. For the vast majority of the population in the underdeveloped countries cannot afford the surgery costs, and most of the children are dying the medical treatment, and it is impossible for the poor patient to afford the surgery cost. Go to the third slide. Deepak, turn to third. Now the question arises, why District 3141 is taking up this project? We are fortunate to have the world-class medical facility. District 3141 has more than 110 clubs and more than 5,000 Rotary members of our district. Our district is capable of doing and take the lead for such complicated surgeries to conduct. Above all, we have capable, enthusiastic group of president of the year 21-22, which will make our dream true. India, we have competent and the expert doctors and the support staff who can handle the cardiac surgeries. Let underprivileged children can take the advantage of this, and we can save the children's lives. We have tried to lower down the cost of the heart surgery to $4,000 to $6,000, which will help us to provide this surgery free to the needy children. This will give us the good mileage, national as well as internationally, and this will be an ongoing project. Go to the slide 4. What is our vision? A minimum of 100 international child heart surgery. Rotary International President Shekhar Mehta has given the task to do at least 100 surgeries. But I'm sure with the help of our president, we'll achieve the more than that. This will require the active participations of the every club and all the clubs who can take the more effort, make the more effort to make this mission success. This is very good global grant project, which will give the good mileage nationally as well as internationally. Slide 5. Next slide, please. How do club can participate? The club can find the donor to sponsor the surgery for child, can also try for the CSR fund, and also can think about the crowdfunding and approach the big companies for the funds. This is very satisfactory as well as the great humanitarian cause. The club should apply for the global grant, which will get the good amount of the funds. Many clubs can join the hands and make this effort clear. Now let me share the successful story, international heart surgery conducted recently. Past President Henry Berenta of the Rotary Club of the Port Haven Court Central ensured that the baby Emanuela You can see the baby Emila's photo. And her mother reached to the Bombay airport safely. They came from the Nigeria. They were picked up from the airport and taken to the SRCC hospital. Baby Emila was once operated in the Nigeria, but her surgery was not done properly. When she arrived in Bombay, she was in a critical position. She was operated by our own expert, Dr. Pradeep Kaushik, and the sponsorship came from the Western Elite Club. After the surgery, she took a very long to recover. The DG and Rajendra and myself visited after the surgery. The mother and the baby was extremely thankful and grateful. She had tears of the joy in her eyes. It was a very touching moment for me and Rajendra ji. She touched our feet for what we have done for her to save her baby, Emila. When the baby Emila was discharged, the mother was not reluctant to leave. Even today, she sent us her daughter's photo to let us know that she is healthy and fit. They have celebrated her first birthday and told us that you have given the second life to my daughter. You can see the photo in one of the photos that baby Emila is celebrating her birthday. There is no greater satisfaction than this. We proudly give this example when our country is asking for the assistance from other countries for our projects. We have the opportunity to show that we can also help the people from other countries. With some effort and dedication, we can save the lives of many. Together, we can bring about the substantial changes to the lives of these underprivileged children. Friends, आपसे मैं तहे दिल से गुजारिश करती हूँ. At least on today, please give me the commitment of the at least one international cardiac heart surgeries. For the so many years, we are taking the help from the other countries to do our project. Now the opportunity has come to give these things back to the other country people and save the children's life. This is a very, very worthy project, and please join the hands with us. We request all the presidents to apply for the global grant, get the good amount of the money, and let's solve and let's save at least 100 children's lives. Thank you very much. Any question, please?
Superb, Leena, superb.
Thank you.
Thank you, Leena. So it's an appeal to all the presidents कि आपके installation में ये project आपके club के board को put forward करे and tell them to come forward to support at least one child.
और ये राजेंद्र जी का बहुत ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है, तो आप सभी को एक बार राजेंद्र जी को भी हम सभी को सब मिलके ये आगे प्रोजेक्ट बढ़ाना है. Any question, Deepak, or you can go further?
Leena, आप अपना नंबर डाल दीजिए. I'm sure a lot of people will want to speak to you personally.
Yeah, sure.
You're doing a great job. God will be kind to you equally, I'm sure, for all the good work you are doing.
Thank you, Rajan.
Rajendra ji, now can we do the last thing? Ask Dilip Mule to do the announcement about the RI citation. Dilip, are you there, Mule?
Yeah, he's there.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, we can see you. You are spotlighted. We can all see you.
Yeah, thank you. It's okay, Deepak. I don't have much time because I'm given only 5 minutes. I cannot show all this citation. So basically, I want to thank Deepak and Rajan for giving me a title that citation, a motivational talk. So that title itself is very attractive. But friends, I am not going to motivate you. This is the citation points which are going to motivate you. And all the time today morning, we have heard about a lot of projects. And I'm sure that all of you are doing these projects passionately. And everyone said that set aside some funds for this project. Now, it is not right on our part to only ask. There is something that we should give also. And that is why we are here to give you citation point. So whatever projects, whatever activities you are doing, there will be citation points to it, and ultimately you will be termed as a dream silver club or a dream gold club. So friends, just to touch upon the first the RI citations, I had talked during DTA in President's Room. You are aware about it. Even today, Daman also talked about it. For RI citation, simple. There are 25 goals. You have to achieve 13 goals. So what are the steps? Very simple. Go on Rotary Club Central, review your 25 goals, select 13 goals, achieve 13 goals, report 13 goals. Your citation is in your hand. Very, very simple. Similarly, you have to help your Rotary Club and Interact Club for their citation. Similar for Rotary clubs, 12 goals out of 22. For Interactors, 11 goals out of 20. So it is simple. Now we will come to district citation. I have my friend Dr. Arun Chaudhary with me. He will go for 1-2 criteria in detail, but I will just talk about the highlights. Basically, very, very simplified way of getting the citation. Very simplified. We have done it. It all the activities, all the avenues, all the activities are covered under the citation. Whatever little activities you are doing, you will be getting reward for it. And we have given the equal opportunity to all the clubs, because normally we think that bigger clubs have bigger opportunity. It is not like that. We have divided into 3 categories. Less than 50, that is 1 to 50 is one category, 51 to 100 is another category, and 101 and above, that is the another category. So in these categories, you can see here on membership, retention 100%, you have point. I'll request Arun Chaudhary to go in detail. Arun,
Yeah.
I will share with you.
Basically, we can take up TRF because we have really we want to motivate. And what we say that there are points. Just batorte jao, tu kaam karte jao, point lete jao. So
Right.
take up two kind of avenues, either membership on TRF and little we will touch upon trust areas, because there what we have done, it is money spent also and beneficiaries also, because some activities they require a lot of funding, some activities require a lot of efforts. That is why beneficiaries also is a criteria and money also is a criteria. So Arun, now please take it up.
Yeah, thank you, Dilip. And as you rightly said, it is not good for on our part to keep on asking. Now here's something that we want to give. Now this giving is in the form of a recognition, number one. And let us have a sort of a healthy, no, we won't say competition, but healthy score at the end of the year, so that whatever the presidents and the club members and the Rotarians are going to do throughout the year will be rewarded. As you also rightly said, we have gone into the details and tried to see that each and every club, each and every point, each and every activity is represented, and you get some of the other things. Now, for example, if we go to simple membership, which Dilip has already touched upon, we are keeping separate criteria for points for different clubs. So, big club, small club. So accordingly, the criteria keep on changing so that even the smaller clubs can achieve and try to compete with the big clubs. Now, when you go to TRF, if you go to see the amount of points that the DG wants for an AKS contributor. Rightly enough, it takes an equally magnificent or gigantic efforts to even mobilize a AKS member. And more than that, only mobilization plus the various stages at which the contributions from this particular donor will come have also been duly rewarded. Plus, we have other things which are standard, but again, we have also seen what is the difficulty level in motivating these particular contributions and accordingly rewarded the points. Now, there are many things which we won't go into detail because everything is black and white on paper. So your DG citation can be calculated very easily. Now, let us go to some particular things which we specifically want to see. Now, as rightly, service projects have either been qualified according to the number of beneficiaries, according to the number of what you can say activities held, or according to the amount that has been spent on the service activity. Now, if you go to the trust areas, very simple. Some of the points are per beneficiaries. So, like as Dilip rightly said, there may be some activities, let us say a mobilization seminar or a teaching seminar, where, you are collecting more people. There the activity may not be in the terms of money, but in the number of people who are involved. So we have tried to keep certain points for the beneficiaries, depending upon the various types. Now, again, we are doing lots of surgeries. We are doing surgeries right from 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, up to 2 lakh rupees, as in cochlear implant we are saying. At the same time, we are helping out people with as low as 25 rupees per tree sapling as well as 500 rupees per kit in cases of strength. So what we have tried to do is either reward the club or the Rotarians on beneficiaries, activities, and otherwise on the basis of the amount that has been spent. So for example, in fruit tree plantation, you'll see per 500 trees, we are giving certain points. In case of women empowerment, you may see that we are giving 5 points per 10,000 rupees. In case of Annapurna, we are saying 1 point per 100 meals. So depending upon the cost of the project, and this thing will be rewarding. And so there are various thrust areas, various activities which may vary from time to time. But what is most important is this: the DGE and the citation committee this time has divided the clubs into up to 50, 51 to 100 and more than 100. And not only that, we'll be rewarding one person in each category. If you see the Dream Super Award, the Dream Super Diamond Award is now here because of this type of citation. It's not only the big club that will get it, but even the small and the medium-sized clubs will have a chance to go for the Dream Super Diamond Award, because your judgment or your point structure is dependent on that. So this is all that I can say in short about the citation. Citation is actually a theoretical topic, so even if there's any questions, we'll take that. But once you read the citations and once the citations will be published in the directory, it will be available to all for reference. And it's a basically just mathematics, nothing else. But even then, Rajan, if people have any question, myself and Dilip would be very happy to answer them.
Arun, shall I take a minute? Friends,
Yeah.
I want all of you to be good students and start working from the first day of the year. And you start preparing a calendar today. Not we will start working towards the exam time. We'll start working right now. You will observe here in a TRF also, for every $1,000 contribution, there are 10 points. But if you contribute before 31st of December, there are 5 points extra. So check this citations properly, and whatever activities you are doing, if you can take few more points, then you try to take it. So it's as I said, कि बहुत सारे points है ऐसी AKs. Rajendra this time has given 3,000 points for AKs declaration. Once full $250,000 is given, that person would get, the club would get 3,000 points on a declaration also, because you can declare as if for a AKs and you can pay in 3 years. For declaration also there is 1,500 points. So good point systems are given, a good opportunity is given, a good award, a good reward for all of us. Only thing, start working right now. Your calendar should be ready by end of June and start working from the first day, 1st July, and you see the success. Thank you. Any questions, Arun and me? Even Rajendra is here.
Great, yaar, Dilip. This is what a motivational talk is. मैं उठ के काम पे लगने लगा तो मेरे को realize हुआ I'm not a president. So you are saying it's a motivational talk. Thank you, Arun, for your inputs.
Thank you. Thank you.
Stay back for you have to give the vote of thanks. Rajendra ji, would you like to give the closing remarks for today?
Yes. I'll just take a minute. So it was a fantastic session today, and I think so. एक presidents को एक power pack session देना जरूरी था कि आज ये इतनी important things आज जो दी है before we take off from today. And Dilip, your citation points तो एक आपने citation की बरसात कर दी before the monsoon, बरसात कर दी. So every president can now race on to become a platinum club. Start planning कि what क्या काम करोगे, और काम करो और सामने enjoy करो. So that's all. And anything, I'm always going to be available. If you all think you want some more session, if you want some more information on various things, अगर आप लोग की request आएगी, in between we can keep filling up to keep doing more things continuously. I would also like to thank everybody who has been part of this. I will not take too much time, Rajan. All who have been part of this, thank you very much for presenting, for coordinating from the backside, whether it is Deepak or Arun Chaudhary or everybody. So, chalo, have a great lunch. Thank you, everybody.
Arun, very quickly, a short vote of thanks, please.
Yeah. Rajan, when you are saying we very quickly, I think it has to be quick because we are already late for the line. But of course, this is an important part of any program. First of all, I would like to thank the DGE, Rajendra ji, who has given such a wonderful opportunity for reaction. And he's trying to see that each and every one of us is well trained, and personally he's also attending the training sessions throughout. So thank you, DG, for giving an opportunity to all the presidents for such a wonderful afternoon. In short, let me also thank Mr. Daman of the Reserve Office, Aishwar and Aslam for the Rotary India ORG. Without taking the names of all, the many avenue chairs who have come with a platter of beautiful options. You know, like everything is being ready-made catered to all the presidents. Pick up whatever you want. They have told you like which item is going to cost you what is the importance of everything. So please pick up from the platter and let us have a wonderful year. I would also like to thank Vinay Khetawat in absentia for the wonderful logo that has been designed for the launch of the GML, and we look forward for a wonderful GML with further info. Of course, not to forget Deepak, who has always been entertaining us, and you know the 5 minutes break is like, you know, refreshing, and it has motivated us to go on till 2:30 p.m. And not the least, all the attendees on such a Saturday morning as well as afternoon. In fact, we have already crossed half the afternoon. Shortly, it will be evening, and I can see the interest in the faces of people. So thank you all for being such wonderful participants. And on behalf of the presenting team, I can say whatever queries you have, you can direct those queries to any of us or Rajendra ji personally also, and we'll see to it that it's taken care of. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us, and let's break for the day and have a nice lunch. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Rajan.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Sneha, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Hey,
Thank you.
Bhavin.
दीपक, the way सब लोग अभी really lunch के लिए रुके होंगे. Thank you again off the record now. Thank you very much. These are the people who are still क्या बोलते हैं ना, मीटिंग छोड़ के जाने की इच्छा नहीं होती है. And I don't know if I don't know if Deepak has the energy to sing one more song for us before we.
नहीं अरुण जी हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि कहीं लंच वहां से ना आए करके.
आएगा. चलो.
चलिए, ओके बाय.
ओके चलो बाय. थैंक यू डीजी.
Bye. So I'm closing the meeting with your permission.
Okay, Deepak.
Thank you, sir.
Let's close. काफी लंबा हो गया.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.